Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we're going to watch how you can determine your options to come to Canada. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, the best way to check anything is to check it officially, on their official site. So in front of you, I've opened Google and I have made a search, Come to Canada tool, or you can search for Come to Canada wizard. So you see the first result. Do you want to come to Canada or extend your stay? Click here. Okay. So this is gonna check your eligibility. So check your eligibility and see, I'm gonna put a sample information, a sample set of information, but when you run through this wizard, when you go through this tool, put it as per your situation, not as you see. Okay, that's really important. First, what would like to do in Canada? So let's say you want to work here. Okay, fine. How long you're planning to stay? Temporarily less than 6 months, more than 6 months. I select more than 6 months. Let's say you want to work here for a few years, whatever is your aim. Code that matches your passport, you know your passport code. I'm just putting this sample. What is your current country or territory of residence, where you are currently? You have a family member who's a Canadian citizen, PR, or and is 18 years of age or older. So I'm just putting this. No, but if you have, put that information. What is your date of birth? So I'm just putting a sample, guys. Next, are you a US green card holder? I select no. You have a job offer from your employer, and you have given an offer of employment number or LMIA number, or the proof that your employer applied for LMIA. So if yes, put yes. If no, put no. It is asking, do you want to work in one of the following categories? Check if it works for you. If not, select no. Read this very carefully, guys. Will you be coming to Canada under an active public policy or special measure announced by IRCC? Are you a spouse, common law partner of a person who has or is applying for work permit or study permit and is full-time student, authorized educational institution? Have recently graduated from a Canadian post-secondary institution? What is the marital status? I select this. What is your province of destination? Put as per your situation, guys. Okay, based on the information, the result will indicate whether you may be eligible. So your result, we use your answer to see if you may qualify for. Based on yours, it appears you may not be eligible at this time. Okay, under a federal program, but you can qualify. You may qualify through one of the provincial based programs. So you can go ahead and check. So this will tell you, like, based on situation. You can always run this and check it yourself, and this will give you the result. If you can come, if you cannot come, what are the options you have. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.